This week I got myself a new pair of knives from Amazon. This is my old pair, as you could tell. It has gotten a lot of use. I've had this for about 2 years, and I reordered the exact same kind because I liked them so much. This one finally lost a few little studs on it, so let's see what the new one looks like. And this was 23 bucks. I have the link below if you want to order one from Amazon yourself and enjoy something that looks nice and is very sharp. So here we have, they have it come in two colors. Obviously there's a pink one and a white one, and 6 piece. It comes with the knife holder and 5 knives. And these must be the knives in here. And here's the brand new case. There we go. Okay. So, just as pretty as I remember. And it is wrapped in plastic. And I just really like this clear cherry blossom look. And of course, they're pink to match my kitchen. Alright, so in this box should be all of my knives. And I have to remember they come very sharp. And here we go. They are pink. Let's see if it says the same. And it looks like they changed the actual brand of the knife itself. This one says Oasis and this one says Retro Soho. So they look the exact same. Obviously these are prettier because they're newer, but they have the 3 little diamond studs in it. And you got your 2 knives. This is your paring knife. And this one I remember being very sharp, and it came with an extra little case on it. And then of course, I think this is like your butcher knife. Jason, you know, Michael Myers. And here's a bread knife. And this is another like chopping knife. So they all fit very wonderfully. I'm going to leave the casings on them. So you want them to go this way. The bread knife, let's see, the thicker one for the bread knife, and then the big one goes in the middle. They have different sizes on the slots. Got to get it in the right slot. And then these two, like so. A great $23 investment, and it is very beautiful to look at, and it makes cooking more fun. So now I can retire the old one. And now I will have my shiny new pink knife. Ooh, doesn't that look so pretty? Okay, what else did I get this week for my gadgets in my kitchen? I got a oil frying thermometer, and also you can take the temperature of the meat as well. So if you want to know if chicken is cooked properly, or if the oil is at the right temperature before you throw your food in there to fry it, this is a very important tool to have. It comes in handy to make cooking easier, because especially when you're frying chicken, you need to make sure that it gets cooked all the way and not burn on the outside. So we're going to be getting a lot of use in with this little gadget. Stay tuned for all my frying videos and all my chicken videos, all my copycat Popeyes. So I'm going to, this is also what you can use to clip it to the side of the pan. So somehow I think we have to put it up against the side of the pan and then clip it in. Oh wait, no, never mind, it goes this way, hold on. Let's see. First you have to figure out how to use it. I'm just kidding. And There we go. Installation was very easy. I'll probably save this little cap to save the temperature part. Just put it on after I clean it. It does have the cool little, oh, brand new. And of course, if I need the instructions, therefore. This was only $19 on Amazon. So $19 thermometer, and it's going to save us a lot of time in burnt chicken when we're cooking. So stay tuned for all of my frying videos, and I have one more thing to share with you that we're going to test out on our copycat recipes. Put that safe. And this was a whopping $18. Only $18, and it's going to make making tacos so much easier and so much funner. I believe there's supposed to be, it's a set of 6. Alright, cool. So each one I think holds 3 tacos, and then it should be a set of 6. Let's see what we got. For $18, I'm not going to complain. And again, check the links below to find all of these items at the price. Oh, that's so cool. I love everything stainless steel in the kitchen because it's so easy to clean it, and there's no microplastics on here. So it goes like this, right? So we can hold 3. 3 this way, 2 that way. No, it's got to go like this. Alright, so there's that. And let's see if we actually have 6 of these. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I can serve 6 people, 3 tacos, and stay tuned for all my copycat taco recipes. We will be making all of your favorite fast foods from scratch, from home, and healthier and cheaper. So thank you for watching my gadgets for the week, and make sure you hit that like bell and subscribe for my algorithm so you can see all my new stuff coming soon.